All right, guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick tip over here. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but you can see that the O seal there, it's kind of like a rubber seal. Now, sometimes that seal kind of gets dislodged, and especially if it needs to be replaced, it starts protruding out of its holder over here, as you can see. Right now, I put it back in, but basically what it's going to do to the one side here, you'll see that it'll kind of like it'll bulge out. And the simple trick just to get it back in before you need to replace it is what I do is I kind of just get a small screwdriver and you know, not poke around too much because you don't want to break the seal. But basically you'll see, and then you can just pretty much just push it in gently, and the seal will go back in. So if you ever have a situation where you're making your espresso and you start seeing sort of like droplets of water coming out of the side of your basket, then you know that the probable cause is the seal here, for example, is like protruding out. Right now, this is exactly how you want it. My problem here, I had it down here at the bottom, and basically just give it a gentle push, and it will go back in, and then sort of go all the way around like that. And then while you're here, just give it a quick clean if there's any residue or anything like that. So I just wanted to share that quick tip with you guys. And also, you can see, hold on a second here, you can see inside here, that's the inside. So if you want to clean that out and get that extra residue out as well, that's just coffee, obviously. You know, kind of get your coffee to drain a little bit better as well. So there's no obstruction. You can see there's sort of like a buildup there. All right, so you can just like wipe it off. There you go. Give it a quick wash, and you're good to go. Okay, hope that helped. Kind of want to end the video, but I want to add something here. So you can see the filter cover over here. I have it unscrewed. So basically, when you're screwing it back on, just make sure you don't over tighten. Okay, just keep it snugged, and then you're good to go. All right, you can see here I'm in the process of screwing it back in.